cooler down to 66 degrees. Looking good with a full charge in it. Pressure's 1.7. But check out subcooling. 22 degrees of subcooling. Low cap tube. Classic case. Full system charge is 3 3/4 ounces. Put in 4 ounces. Amps 3.4. Change the battery, but classic case. Cap tube plugged.
Oh, that's his problem. Yeah.
Gotta change the compressor because the oil is plugging up the cap tube. See, anyways, party's over for this one. Okay. I thought it might be a leak. Hoped, but nope. Okay. Party's over. Click like, subscribe. Okay, I blew it out. The dryer, of course, is not plugged, and they never are. It blows clear. This was plugged up a little bit, so I just cut off a little bit. Actually, cut off a little bit that was plugged up, and blew it out like 350 pounds pressure, and man, it blows clear. So I'm gonna stick it back together, give it a try. Okay, we're down to 400 and something microns, 390 microns. Down. Put some real service valves on it. Give it a shot, blow out the cap tube, and let's put some gas in this thing. Okay, running 37. Tasty. Anybody know what these are? These are macadamia nuts. Fresh out of a garden. Roasted and with a little bit of oil and salt. They are seriously tasty. Fresh macadamia nuts right out of a garden. Good stuff. And he gave me some avocados fresh off the tree. Picked them. Not quite ripe yet. But he said they're pretty cool, so nice little score today with fixing that kegerator. So pretty cool. And I got my eggs. Hopefully they're still good. Doesn't look like don't think I have scrambled eggs yet, so I think I'm alright. Have you guys ever wondered how you transport fresh eggs from the farm? In a 1999 Dodge Ram Cummins turbo diesel? This seems to be working. Fresh out of the chickens. Truck. Careful when you slam the door though. Okay. Eggs for the road.